Thank you all for joining us. Yesterday was an incredibly difficult day for all of us in Louisville. I want to start by saying thanks again to everyone who pulled together to get through yesterday and to continue on today and the days ahead. First, that starts with our police officers. Chief, to you and your entire team, thank you all very much. In particular, thank you to Officer Wilt, Officer Galloway, who were two of the first officers to arrive on the scene to confront the assailant and to save lives. You and all of the colleagues at LMPD were true heroes yesterday and every day. And to our other first responders, EMS, Louisville Fire Department, Jefferson County Sheriff's Office, the 911 operator at MetroSafe, who handled calls and dispatched so efficiently and well. And to our state and federal partners, thank you. And also a special thanks to Dr. Smith, to you and all of your colleagues at the University of Louisville Hospital. Thank you for saving lives yesterday and for saving lives every day. I also want to acknowledge the rest of our Metro government team who dealt with the challenges, adapted to the circumstances, and did what was asked of them yesterday to help others in our community. Thank you for embodying the best of public service. As we talk about what's happened since yesterday, I have to acknowledge the painful fact that this awful act of violence at Old National yesterday has taken another life. Late yesterday, we learned that Deanna Eckert passed. She was 57 years old. She was an employee of Old National Bank. I knew Deanna also. Deanna was a very kind and a very thoughtful person. She was a wonderful woman who will be missed. Her death means another family in mourning and adds yet another layer of tragedy to this moment. I want to briefly read a statement from Old National Bank CEO Jim Ryan, who has asked me to read this on behalf of him and his colleagues at Old National. Quote, "There are no words to adequately describe the sadness and devastation that our Old National family is experiencing as we grieve the tragic loss of our team members and pray for the recovery of all those who were injured. Obviously, this is an incredible, difficult situation, and our entire focus is on making sure that everyone affected has the support and assistance they need. On behalf of everyone at Old National, I also want to acknowledge and thank Louisville law enforcement, the medical community, and state and local officials for their incredible response to this tragedy. And finally, we ask you to please continue to pray for all those affected." Again, that was Old National CEO Jim Ryan. Our thoughts are with the families who've lost loved ones, and we're also thinking and praying for the people who were injured in this attack, including our police officers. So for an update on their condition, I first would like to welcome Dr. Jason Smith, Chief Medical Officer at U of L Health. Dr. Smith.